Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a good creamy potato salad. So let's get started. So to prepare the potato salad, I use 2 pounds of potatoes, medium potatoes, a cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of parmesan cheese, about 2 ounces of milk, a quarter cup of honey mustard, 2 tablespoons of butter, and it's about half a cup of celery when you chop it. And of course I use some celery to decorate at the end. So we're going to start by peeling the potatoes. So I'm going to start peeling the potatoes. If you don't have a peeler, you can use a knife. Just like so. And so I'm going to wash the potatoes. I'm going to rinse them. So the potatoes were washed. I'm going to cut the potatoes in chunks, just like so. Okay? You can do that. Okay? Just so, like that. Okay? Just like that. It's perfect size. So I will continue cutting the rest of the potatoes the same way, same size. Okay, so I cut the potatoes in chunks. So they're gonna ready to boil them. I have a pan ready. And so I'm gonna boil these potatoes. Okay. I fill a saucepan halfway with water. To the water, I'll add half a teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to place the potatoes to boil. I'm going to cover the pot for 20 minutes. I'm going to let the potato cook for 20 minutes or until tender. And so the potato is boiling beautifully. This is beautiful. So the potato is ready. Let's check on that. Let's check on the potatoes. Okay, we're gonna check on the potatoes. The potatoes ready. Let's check. Very tender. Okay. Alrighty. I'm gonna drain the potatoes. Beautiful potatoes. Fantastic. In the bowl, I'm gonna add the butter. Okay. Then I'm gonna place the potatoes into the bowl. I'm gonna add the milk. I'm gonna add the mayonnaise. I'm gonna combine it with the honey mustard. I'm gonna add the cheese. I'm gonna add the celery. One teaspoon of garlic seasoning. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of creole seasoning. And I'm gonna mix everything together to make a perfect creamy potato salad. Isn't it creamy? It looks beautiful already. Very creamy. You can serve your potato this way. Isn't it beautiful? And this is how you prepare a good creamy potato salad. This is how you prepare it. Very ideal for Thanksgiving.